Hi guys, as some of you guys know, I am a tester for the credits pre-release. There have been quite a few stability issues with testing on the internal network. According to the developers, it was caused by OpenVPN, as that is our gateway into the internal network for testing. The nodes need to connect into the signal server running on the internal network. The function of this acts as a discovery server to send data to other nodes. The signal server will be later integrated into the nodes. The credits development team is currently setting up a newer VPN alternative that will hopefully not have the same issues. This is the reason why there have not been a lot of updates in regards to testing and TPS performance. Some updates I can go over is they have changed the API call for transaction flow, and they are no longer sending separate transactions for the fee. I assume this was a placeholder anyway, and it's good to see. The added consensus looks like it's working when the network is stable. We can send transactions and they're broadcasted to the rest of the nodes. There are more changes to the monitor. I won't give away any spoilers, but once they're finished, they are quite nice niche features. We are currently waiting for updates just like everyone else, but the team is quite transparent with what is going on, and they're trying to provide us with new updates as soon as possible. When the network is stable, some of the tests I will do include data validation testing, attempting to break/crash the nodes, try to forge my own fake transactions, attempt to double spend, find how difficult it is to do a 51% attack, load test the network, check the fee system is working correctly. I have also developed tools to help me test the network. This is a program I created that allows me to load test the network. What it does, it creates multiple threads, and inside those threads it creates multiple connections to a node using selectors for synchronous sockets or non-blocking sockets. So this is just the file that just has the non-blocking sockets, connects to the node and sends the data, sends and receives the data. We've got a config.properties file that is configurable, that has max threads, that's how many threads you want to start up, max connections per thread. So if we've got 10 connections per thread and we've got 10 max threads, then we've got pretty much 100 connections, and they'll pretty much be sending transactions as fast as possible to the server. And once we got multiple testers, so if we can get like 100 testers to all run this executable at the same time, well, this Java file at the same time, then we'll definitely be able to load test the network quite heavily. So we should be able to get some accurate readings from that. And I guess Credits also uses the Apache Thrift library for its API. So I constructed my own raw Thrift packets to try and get the most performance. So this is just some code constructing a transaction flow Thrift packet. We got the call there. Yeah. So this was just a little quick little program I used to test the pre-beta, and I've changed it around so it's also compatible with the pre-release. So hopefully when we get a new update, I should be able to just run this file as it is and test it. And I guess, as you guys know, there are always delays in development, and the team is trying their best to get everything sorted for us. We just need to be patient because we want a great product, not something that is rushed. And I guess that's all from me. Stay tuned to my Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll try and provide you guys with more updates when we get them.